Today I want to tell you people about how to cure itching, scratching in pigs. This is probably called lice infestation. That's the big name for it. But here in Nigeria, all we know is that our pig is scratching, our pig is itching, and those red spots are on our pig's body. So this video is all about how to cure that itching in pigs. But before we start this video, please, I beg of you, I take God beg una, if you never subscribe to my channel, please, I beg, subscribe to my channel. So, assuming that you have noticed that your pig is always scratching, like this one now, let me show you an example, like this one now. I see that pig scratching. Assuming that you always notice that your pigs are always scratching like this, always scratching. Assuming you notice that your pigs are always scratching like that, then that means that you have to administer some drugs to them, because assuming they are scratching like this, it will also affect their growth. That's just the end result of the whole thing. So once you notice this thing, don't take it for granted. Always make sure that you ask and inquire about what to do. And now, if you notice that your pig is scratching like this, the best thing to do is to administer drugs. They are all there are drugs for every like I was saying, every disease or any situation you notice in your pigs always have a solution. So assuming that you have noticed that your pig is scratching, it's always like you're always going to the wall and scratching. So what you have to do is very simple. There is a drug called Kepromec. This Kepromec has two jobs. It has two jobs. The first job is it acts as a dewormer. The second job is that it cures scratching in pigs. And so instead of you going to buy a separate drug for deworming your pigs and a separate drug for curing scratching, it's better you go for this Kepromec, which will function and cure the two, which is for deworming and for scratching. Now, when you notice that your pig is scratching, the first thing that should come to your mind is that you should find a drug for this pig. Now, if once you notice that your pig is scratching, if it's the small pigs, like this one, if it's the small pigs like this one, you get your 5 ml syringe and take 1 ml and inject to them. You take 1 ml and inject to them. If it's for the bigger pigs, like the matured pigs, you then use 2 ml of this Kepromec. So the simple solution to scratching, to itching in your pig is to administer Kepromec injection, injectable Kepromec. So with this statement and with this video of mine, I've been able to help you end scratching in pigs in your pig farm. So like I always say, subscribe to my channel. I know some of you never subscribe to this channel. Since you have interest in pigs, please subscribe now, I beg. So thank you very much for watching my video, and may God bless you as you've watched. Thank you a lot.